Hi, I'm Ricardo, and this is Petite Coding. Okay, so last time we were getting to here, and I told you this was very duplicating, and we should give it a way to exit it here, right? So what if I just do this image view, my image view, right? And I get is user interaction enabled equals true, and then cannot find image view in scope. Okay, because this is image view like this, and then image view dot add gesture recognizer to that. So I'm going to create gesture recognizer there, eliminate this, Command U, running all the tests now. And it's passing. Okay, so let me commit. How I did this, I did Command Option C to get the commit here. So what I'm going to do is extract the code to be used in the array function, right? Commit to files and push. Okay, now what I want to do is, you see, I'm always getting this UIImageView, UIImageView. I think I can do this and start not by doing with this, but just having image view, an array of image views, UIImageView. So I'm going to say images, image views, right? And I don't need this anymore, and I'll do it with here. Let's see what happens. Cannot find a UIImageView. Okay, let's replace it with that. Cannot find UIImageView, right? Command U. That's not allowed. Command U. So now I cannot use an optional here to unwrap this. Command U. Now it's failing because I'm having all these parameters here. Image views. Fighter emblem image view. Support emblem image view. Marksman emblem image view. Tank emblem image view. What else? Jungle emblem image view. Assassin emblem image view, and mage emblem image view. I'll put here the image views, Cannot convert the value of image view to UIImageViews. So what I need here is to put a UIImageView like this. And let's see, now I need to unwrap it like this, right? Now it's failing because this controller needs that also, right? Image views, and actually I only need a UIImage view here like this, and do this like 7 times, right? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. And then I can, instead of this, I can pass in UIImageViews. Right? And now this settings by image views UI image view, like this, right? And test is failing. Right. So what I need to do now is that yeah, I can refactor these tests, but I think it's going to be better if I do it like this. ImageViews, the first one, and then I do it like this. You see what I'm doing here? I'm checking the array that I'm passing in. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6 and 6. I don't need this anymore. Command U. And the tests are passing. And I did this with the array here. So commit. Changed the image views into an array. And commit 5000 push. Okay, and that's it what we're going to do today. We are just going to refactor that and to get into the race. I think that's much better than we had last time. Just a simple refactoring to make the code easier to read and understandable. The next thing we have to do now is we have to import our module from the emblem data to this UI and make and on the selector, on the image tab selector, we need to make sure we're calling this function from the other side. So we're going to test drive that and let's see how it goes. And after that, we'll be very close to finishing this app. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Where's the subscribe button? Don't forget to subscribe and push the notification bell so you receive notifications every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.